am so excited. I am so excited. Here I am. I am going to do my favorite unboxing of the whole entire century here. I've been waiting so long for this. I mean, I can't even tell you how long I've been waiting for this. It's like, and Joe finally ordered it for me and it finally came and I'm so excited to unbox this amazing thing that I've been waiting so incredibly long for. Are you ready for me to unbox it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I can't even believe it. Oh. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, there's so many things. Oh. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna take everything out and then I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's so exciting, so excited. Oh, okay. I don't even know. I don't even know where to start. Okay, there's no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. So, okay. I know this is gonna sound ridiculous, but I love this so incredibly much. I can't even get over myself. Anyway, so here I'm gonna unbox the big thing in this box, and I'm so excited. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, it's in the bag. Hold on, I'm gonna take it out of the bag. Oh, here it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here it is. So excited. So excited. Look, it's my very own power washer. I'm so excited. It's called a Greener, and I can't wait to power wash my car and my patio, and I don't have to borrow it from anyone. It's mine.
She is power washing away.
I love it.
There.
Power washer.
Cool. A foam cannon. Okay, not so thick.
Pardon?
Like, here. A little quicker.
Huh? Okay.
Give it a little scrubby.
Needs a lot of scrubby, I think.
Are you having fun?
I love power washing.
Little car's all sparkly and clean because she put enough soap on it to clean 2 cars.